Tired of the grocery store chaos and hidden fees eating into your budget? Today, we're diving deep into Instacart Plus, the subscription service that promises to make your grocery game smoother and cheaper. First, let's talk perks. Instacart Plus's main draw is waiving those pesky delivery fees on orders over $35 that can add up to significant savings if you're a frequent user. Next up, reduced service fees. While not entirely eliminated, Instacart Plus members enjoy lower service fees compared to non-subscribers. Keep in mind that service fees help support the Instacart platform and are separate from tips for your shopper. And who doesn't love a good deal? Instacart Plus unlocks exclusive promotions and discounts, giving you access to savings regular shoppers miss out on. Look for special tags and offers when browsing the app. But how much does it all cost? Instacart Plus typically comes with a monthly or annual fee. Crunch the numbers based on your average order frequency and spending to see if the savings outweigh the subscription cost. So, is Instacart Plus worth it? If you're a regular Instacart user who values convenience and dislikes paying delivery fees, it's definitely worth considering. If you only use Instacart occasionally, you might be better off sticking with the standard service. Do the math and happy shopping.